Welcome to the Informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate. Jay here with you guys today, presenting the climatic pulse and forecast of the markets during the past week. Guys, don't forget that this content should not be considered any official financial advice, and it's provided for educational purposes only. Guys, I'm a little bit under the weather, so cut me some slack, but we're here today. That's not gonna stop me. Nothing's gonna stop me. We're gonna be here providing quality, informative content for my community. Immediately, let's get into it. We start with the fear and greed index, currently at that 27 level. We do see that yesterday. Currently we're at 27 now, meaning let's refresh this. Actually, there we go. So now we're at 27. Yesterday 26. Week before at 28. Basically nothing has really changed, guys, just consolidating sideways. If we go below 20 or above 40, we're gonna be here to actually discuss such a move. Guys, if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Just a click away. You subscribe, click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh, off the press, educational and informative videos, guys. And don't forget to like this video to help the algorithm so that other people can also find our great channel and our great community. Guys, we do see that for Bitcoin, it's currently at $16,721. We do see back-to-back green positive bullish candles. We do see that we're on our way, what it seems like, towards that $16,829 resistance level. Once again, we're gonna see how it's gonna react once it touches up here. So right now there's a small upswing. In the bigger picture, nothing too major has happened yet, but if it breaks this resistance, then the next one would be $17,357. So we will definitely continue to monitor Bitcoin's moves. We do see the stochastic, though, a strong cross up, so momentum on the daily chart is back for Bitcoin's price, at least in the short term. We do see the RSI as well moving on up in an upward direction. So we'll wait and see what Bitcoin has in store for us in the next couple of days. With regards to the DXY, not looking good. The dollar, the Dixie, just the index losing that momentum, guys. After this past formation back here, we broke towards the downside and even made a new local low below the 103.62 support level. We do see that currently we have this new candle to the right that just opened, but this was the bigger red bearish negative candle, the larger move candle, and now we broke below. We have to see, this candle has to push up and close above the resistance soon, or else we might be heading towards that 100 point level on the DXY. The dollar continues to lose momentum. We'll have to continue to monitor the situation to see how it's going to continue to react in the next couple of days and the next couple of weeks, guys. So today's episode is all about 2022, guys. 2022, it was an incredible year, but for the most part for crypto, it was a devastating a year of annihilation. Just a lot of crypto collapses overall in the industry, and we just want to go over a few of them. Axie Infinity's Ronin bridge was hacked. Terra USD Luna collapsed. Wow, man, went from $100 to like zero in like a week, man. It was insane. That was crazy. Then the 3AC, Three Arrows Capital collapsed. Voyager, that exchange, it went down, it went bankrupt, man. Wow. Celsius crash and liquidity crisis. And then obviously the biggest and baddest, we have the FTX collapse in the most recent one. Wow, that wasn't good, man. They're playing with customer funds and things of that nature. This bear market hasn't been easy. And then we have the BlockFi bankruptcy as well, guys. So all these major events have been devastating, just annihilating for Bitcoin's more crypto's fundamentals, in a sense. Bitcoin's still holding strong, not price wise, but fundamentally it is. But man, and then 2023 could be the year of regulation, so we're gonna have to see how that pans out. But it hasn't been an easy year. And then if we go to the charts, here's a visual reflecting those events that I mentioned. Just as I said, look at that annihilation, just straight down in 2022, man. It hasn't been easy. Hopefully this year in 2023, we find a bottom, around this area, accumulate, and then head on towards the upside towards the latter part of this year, and then obviously in next year in 2024. But it hasn't been easy at all. This year it's been very annihilating per se, you know, for crypto overall. Just depreciation in prices, you know, a lot of panic, a lot of fear, a lot of people selling. So hopefully this year, 2023, is that year when things, you know, at least start shifting a little bit towards the upside. Guys, don't forget, link in the description down below, free educational playlist, guys. You know, quality content is just, it can't get any better than that. And then Twitter as well. Follower count is growing. Thank you so much for the support. Don't forget to follow us on there, guys. So we start immediately with the top 5 coins and their performance for the past week. Bitcoin, BTC, the king, currently at $16,730, down 0.73%. Number 2, Ethereum at $1,217, down 0.04%. Number 3, BNB at $246, right under that $250 a pop, up 1.68%. Then we have number 4, XRP, the scam, at around 35 cents, down 3.76%. And then we have number 5, Dogecoin, the dog coin, at 7 pennies, down 4.39%, guys. You know, so that's the top 5 to round it off. Then we move on to the top 5 best performing assets in the past 7 days. Start immediately with number 1, BitDAO at 36 cents, up 28.46%. Must be nice. Number 2, OKB. Now this is the new BNB competitor now. Centralized exchange. You know, FTX went down, so all that volume has to go elsewhere. Around $30, up 28.70%. Number 3, Lido DAO at $1.20, up 15.45%. Then we have the Monkey Coin, Ape Coin, at around $4 a pop, up almost 10%. And then number 5, Trust Wallet Token at $1.50 a pop, up 8.53%. Then we move on to the top 5 worst performing assets for the past week. We start with number 1, Chain at a penny, you know, down 22.30%. Number 2, Flow, the swag coin, at 66 cents, down 12.51%. Number 3, the stable coin, Neutrino, at 47 pennies, down 9.11%. Man. Number 4, Hedera hash, the H-bar, at around 4 pennies, down 10%. And number 5, Gate Token, also down about 10% at around $3 a pop. Guys, if you enjoy this quality informative content, don't forget to check out our website, link in the description below. You know, it's over here actually. Let me just make sure. That's for my Spanish channel, so apologize for that. But great tools and resources for you guys. And also don't forget, guys, don't forget, you know, to swing by our YouTube channel right here. You know, like this video if you enjoy this content. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. I would gladly appreciate it. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Hope you guys have a good one.